Hi guys,
Мы в местечке,
we are in a
называется
place called
Кап-Ар.
Capdale.
Такое название. Это
This is a
мыс,
cape.
рядышком граничит
Nearby
с
there is a Villefranche-sur-Mer,
и совсем
and it's
недалеко
very
Монако.
close to Monaco.
Поставили
We
машину
parked
на
our
платной
car
парковке,
in the paid parking
заплатили
zone.
до конца дня, точнее парковка
We paid
будет
for a
работать
full
до
day until
завтрашнего
9
утра,
a.m.
до 9 утра.
tomorrow.
Мы заплатили
We paid
9,5
9.5
€.
euros
И
and
сейчас
now let's
пойдем
go
пешочком прогуляемся
for a
в
walk to
Монте-Карло.
Monte Carlo.
Я
I
думаю,
think
это
it
будет
will be
интересно.
interesting. Capdale, it's Girly Cape, is the name of this small French resort in English. Some people consider it the most beautiful place on the entire Côte d'Azur. Behind me there is a road along the coast straight to
Прямо до
Monaco.
Монако.
Now we are going down this road. The distance is approximately 3.5 kilometers. Everything looks very nice. The pedestrian road to Monaco is fantastically beautiful. Amazing pine trees and villas built at the beginning of the last century hang over it. And the sea, it's really a very cool feeling. The walk to the border with Monaco takes on the average 40 minutes. It is forbidden to walk here during the storm.
Ну что, цель уже близка.
The territory of today's Monaco was the first to be mastered by the Phoenicians and Greeks, who arrived here in the 10th century. Then, for a long time, Monaco was under the rule of the Genoese. At the end of the 13th century, a civil war broke out in Genoa, and the fortress of Monaco was captured by Francesco Grimaldi. The result of this sudden invasion was that all subsequent rulers of the state were representatives of the Grimaldi family, including the current Prince Albert II. Behind me there is a barrier and the road to Monte Carlo. By the way, who doesn't know, Monte Carlo is one of the 10 districts of Monaco, and Monaco is a teeny principality squeezed into the coast of the Ligurian Sea between Nice and Italy. The first immediate sensation for me is some kind of green oasis. Before that, where we walked and drove in coastal cities, among low-rise buildings, there was not enough greenery. And here green spaces on every corner create a very, very pleasant impression. And the shade, no sweltering heat, as on the road along the coast.
А вот прям кругом очень-очень много зелени.
Here, behind and in front of me, there is a very cool park with roses. All kinds of roses in different colors. Amazing. We went to Carrefour to buy some food and just compare prices with neighboring friends. To be honest, the prices for products did not surprise at all. Ordinary French supermarket. It even seemed to me that compared to Carrefour of Avignon, here in Monaco it's even cheaper. By the way, since 1999, Monaco has been one of the microstates in Europe which is not part of the European Union but uses the euro as the main monetary unit. Monte Carlo is over there, behind the port, and our road leads to the place of Prince Albert. A few minutes along steps, and here we are at the main landmark of Monaco. I need to dispel the myth about the high cost of living in Monaco. In fact, when I visited the cafe, I saw quite ordinary European prices, not higher than the prices in France, and beer in the store is even cheaper than in France. However, faced with the fact that we received a message on our phones, the cost of roaming in Monaco is very high. Spanish roaming offers a cost of 6.5 euros for 10 megabytes. It's very expensive. I want to say that it's very beautiful and well groomed here. It was really nice walking.
Резюмируя
To
наш
summarize
пешеходный
our
тур в
walking
Монако,
tour in Monaco,
мы прошли
we
пешком
walked about 10 kilometers,
около 10 километров, ну, может
maybe
быть,
more.
потратили
Spent
20
20
евро
euros on
на еду,
food and 5
и 5
euros
евро
on
на
coffee.
кофе.
Quite
Вполне
budget
себе
trip.
бюджетно.
Subscribe my channel and see you in next video. Bye guys.